How to add another account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add another account on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone, and here once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on logout. And here just confirm it by tapping on logout again. And now here, once you're logged out, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the option they will use another profile. And now here in this section, you simply have to enter your new email or phone number and password for your second Facebook account. And after that, you simply have to tap on login. And now, whenever you want, you can easily switch between accounts by tapping on the three dash icon. And now, here, once you are in the menu section, you simply have to tap on the drop down arrow. And now, here from the pop up menu, you can simply switch between accounts easily. And that's it. That's how you can add another account on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.